What you're gonna need is any empty jars, spray paint, stickers for decoration, and scissors. Take your jar, make sure it's clean and dry. Paint an even coat. Spray from a distance. Cover it evenly. Paint the lids as well. Let dry. Take second jar. Stick stickers of your choice. Spray paint evenly. Use a second coat if using light colors. Leave it to dry. This is how they look once dried. Remove stickers from the jar. Paste flowers on the lid using glue. Take second jar. For this, I'm using decorative tape. And we are done.